Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Gardening Paradise. According to me, a garden is the best place in a house. It is the place where someone can sit for a while and admit nature and feel refreshed. The oxygen in the air, sunlight clothing, the entire stretch of the open space, the sweet fragrance from the flowers, and the chirping of birds. Everything seems to come together to create a copyphony that is magical and therapeutic on the human mind. Nowadays, not too many houses are blessed with a garden, but if one wants to live a peaceful life, he must consider getting a garden for his own adopt. In my garden, there are various type of plants. Some are flowering plants, some bear fruits and vegetables, while there are some other plants which look simply adorable because of the sheer beauty of their leaves. The flowers that adorn my garden are roses, sunflowers, lily, and the garden looks stunning when the flowers are in full blooms. I have cultivated many vegetables in my garden with the help of my grandfather. Tomato, brinjal, ladyfingers, and green chili are among them. I am trying to make my garden an organic garden so that we don't to be depend on upon vegetables bought and from the markets. These vegetables that I grow have several health benefits besides being fresh and chemical free. There is soft grass all over my garden. The grass is maintained properly and trimmed on a regular basis. This makes the garden an ideal place of different exercise. I like to walk in bare feet in my garden only because of the soft grass cover. Moreover, there is a swinging in my garden where I can spend hours swinging on it. And I like the walk barefoot in my garden because of the soft grass. Thanks for watching.